Well, hello everyone, back for another update here. I'm now on the US 26 rest area east of Idaho Falls, Idaho. Beautiful view of Snake River down below. And as you can see, it is flowing pretty good. In spite of the lake upstream looking like it was extremely low, the flow into the lake from Snake River was also very good. So what does that tell me? They have intentionally lowered the level of that lake to make it appear that there is a drought going on, when in reality there is no drought. That's going to get me into what I'm going to talk about. More fake weather, more fake fires. Temperature here currently is 54 degrees as I speak in August. There was lots of rainfall earlier this morning. So is there really a drought going on? Or are they intentionally letting water out of all of these lakes to make it appear there's a drought, to promote a false agenda of global warming? The globe is not warming right now. It is cooling due to inactivity of the sun, and we are really going to start feeling it very soon, coming years. Solar cycle 25 is not ramping up much as of yet. If it turns out to be an extremely weak cycle, we're going to be in for some cold times. They're going to have a very difficult time continuing to promote this false agenda. I predicted a non-existent tropical weather season this year. Due to the fact that they took all the heat out of the oceans last year, with artificially firing up all those storms, which I believe is being done by some sort of laser technology from satellites, is my guess to what's going on. They're firing at these storms to enhance them, some sort of energy. So my prediction still stands. We're not going to have much activity in the tropics this year. I looked a few hours ago. There was only one hurricane, looks like, out in the Pacific, Eastern Pacific. That's it. These storms in the Atlantic they've been naming have not really been storms that should be named. They're just clusters of thunderstorms mostly. I said in one of my last videos, it's going to be very difficult to get something going in the Gulf because they tapped it out last year. So yeah, as I said, all the heat was taken out of the oceans last year. They are continuing to try to fire up more storms this year, which is taking even more heat out of the water. So as we can see, middle of August. Feels like fall here in Idaho. It is not hot and dry as it usually is. It'll be interesting to see what happens to the weather from this point on. I will be back with another update.